Okay, so when I woke up this morning, I slept in a little bit, like 9 o'clock in the morning. I slept until I went and made my coffee. I always go look out the front door, and this box was sitting there. Yep, and I know where this box comes from. This box comes from Saskatchewan, Canada, from a mutual friend. Well, a friend. His name is Larry Dale. I've met Larry before. He used to live here in British Columbia, Canada. He's a Harley mechanic, and he was working at the Harley shop where I still take my Harley. He was working there, and once he started doing wood carving, he found my channel on YouTube, and he said, "Hey, I know that guy. I think I know that. I think I know Jordy." And then he called a mutual friend and says, "Does Jordy have a YouTube channel?" And the mutual friend says, "Yeah, I think he does." So actually, I have met Larry Dale before, and thank you for sending me this box there, Big Lurt. And your carvings are getting great. So let's get this box opened up, and I got to figure out what I'm going to carve today. I got two things. I got the mold for I got all the silicone. I got 10 tubes of silicone for the mold thing for the green man, or I got the base cut out for the hand that I molded. I was going to carve a base for it, right? But anyways, let's get this box open up and see where the day takes us. Okay, so we got the camera in the overhead, and this is a fairly big box, so the whole thing's not on the screen. But hi, Evil Rick. You got a knife like this? See, it's kind of like a knife. I found this last year when I went over to Oak Island there in Canada. I forget where it is in Canada, but yeah, when they weren't shooting their season, you know, that TV show, The Curse of Oak Island. But whenever they weren't filming, I kind of snuck up on their boat. I took my gold detector, and I found this. I think it's like, you know, like from the Knights Templar. I think it's like one of those knives that they might have shoved in their boot, and if they got into a bind when in a battle or something like that, they'd slide out their boot in a quick shank or something like that. Yeah. It also could be from like an old Sikh or something. You see that bend? It's kind of like that sword there. Some might call it a butter knife, but I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, let's open this up. You got one of these, Evil Rick? Knights Templar Sikh butter knife thing? I don't know if you do, but I do anyways. Just another treasure to add to my pile. So let's get this open up here. I'm going to have to get this appraised sooner or later too, Evil Rick. Yeah, there it is, Sikh butter knife thing. Okay. What we got in here? Come on. Thank you, Sensei. And how I know this came from Larry, his name is Larry Dale. Did I say Saskatoon? He told me he was sending me a box, and I messaged him this morning, asked him if he sent me a box. He said yes. Thank you, Sensei. Use what you can. Give away what you want, or chuck it. Number 1, carve deeper. Actually, Larry got the tattoo, crazy bugger, got the tattoo that says carve deeper. I asked him if somebody had that painted on his arm. He goes, no, it's a tattoo. Number 1, carve deeper. Number 2, I don't care. That's good, Larry. You shouldn't care. And number 3, sign it. You're right on point with those. Carve deeper, I don't care, and sign it. And look how easy I could read your handwriting, your printing. Perfect. We're on point. So what little treasures has he got in here? Holy, he's got this thing loaded right up. What's this? Redwood? It's a shape of something. Is it a fish? Is it a fish? No, it can't be a fish. A duck? He's got it shaped with his bandsaw. And let me see here. Red. Do a spit test. Real. I don't know, Larry, maybe you can leave a comment what kind of wood this is. And what this shape's supposed to be. I just can't figure it out. Because I usually don't shape my stuff before I carve it. But lots of pro carvers do cut out with their bandsaw first. Thank you, Larry. This is set up for a wood spirit. Look at this big wide grain in here. Maple. LOL. Just joking. Uh-oh. Maple. I hate carving maple. Maple's my worst favorite wood to carve. That's probably why he sent this to me. Man, I can't read that top word. So maybe you could comment in the below, Larry. Big wide grain. But yeah, that's a good place to do a wood spirit right here. Because you got the flat bottom. I'm pretty sure that's why he sent this to me. And then that's what I suggest anybody do a carving with when they're learning how to do wood spirits. Carve a place like this so your face is already kind of round, right? Thanks, Larry. Send me maple. This is more of that wood. Is this maple too, Larry? Larry told me before too. He's got lots of maple out in that way. I says, don't carve maple. He goes, well, it's basically what they got. Oh, this is a beautiful piece of wood. This looks like juniper. Sure does. Or is it black walnut? Let me know on this one too, Larry. This one I'd carve before I carve the other ones. This is a beautiful, I love the different textures you get in the wood, right? You got the water wood on the outside and the darker wood and heartwood. Yeah, this is nice stuff. Black walnut or juniper, I think. Holy Jesus, it looks like he robbed the dollar store here. Friggin' rolling pin, $4. You guys carve these rolling pins, you got a $4 rolling pin can turn to be a $50 carving, right? I will carve this sooner or later, Larry. Thank you. Look at all these freaking Christmas lights he sent. What do you think I'm going to carve all these Christmas trees, Larry? I think this is when I think his wife went and bought a bunch of stuff from the dollar store when I said the dollar store was closing. So they went and stocked up. But these aren't the, well, these are expensive ones. $4. Holy man. I didn't see these ones. These are the fairy light kind. Sweet. I'll just put them in the collection with my other 1,000 packs of Christmas lights I got. Holy, real paint trays. Look at that. This guy's the most generous person I've ever met in my life. He even took the stickers out of them. There's 4 of them here. But Larry, I guess I'm going to have to charge like $100 billion when I use these ones if I'm going to sell it. Well, I can't sell these because these were a gift from you. So thank you. I won't have to make the Carve Infusion paper paint trays anymore, but I still want to make them because I make a lot of money on them. Thanks, Larry. Got some nice paint brushes. Yeah, these are better than ones that I buy. Yep. These are good dollar store paint brushes. $3.35. Well, you went all out here. Holy, there's more packs of paintbrushes. These are the good ones. Jeez. Today's my lucky day. It's awesome. Thank you. Most of you guys know that I hoard paintbrushes. So yeah, look at all these paintbrushes I just got. That's wicked. But I will clean these ones. I won't just throw them away, right? Because they're good ones. Look, they got nice little rubber handles. Batteries. Batteries for the Christmas lights. Yeah, I'll just put this in the box with my other 1,000 packs of these dollar store batteries I got Larry for the Christmas lights. Thank you. Oh, I'm going to owe you huge. Holy dollar store paint. This guy's just wicked, Larry. Oh, it's got some Mod Podge in there too. Man, today is my lucky day. Ah, wicked. I suggest, thanks Larry, this is awesome, man. 2 packs of Mod Podge, freaking score. I really suggest, I don't know, I bought the bigger tubes of Mod Podge to try and save money, but it seems like it gets gooey inside there, like clumpy. I guess you could dilute it with water or something, but I just like to buy these smaller ones. They work better for me. So this is that and gloss. I love using this stuff, so thank you very much, Larry, and your wife too. More Christmas lights. Oh boy. What we got here? Is this a piece of maple? It's got a neat, look at the texture to it, the way it is, the way it's shaped. That's really, if this is maple, I don't think it's maple bark on here though. I don't know this type of bark. I do, but I don't. But I don't, but I do. Maybe it is maple. Maybe it's maple. It's a pretty heavy piece of wood. But yeah, it's got a neat shape to it. So, put that aside. We got another one. Oh, okay, that's it. This is the duck head. You carving ducks, Larry? There you go. See? Okay, this is the tail. It goes like this. I got it. Thanks, man. Maybe one day I'll try and carve this. But these birds, Ben's Studio on the Lake, if you check out his YouTube channel, he's working on birds like this right now. And to put all the feathers in, it takes way too long for me. But awesome, Larry. Thanks. Maybe I'll put this aside and real wood. I don't know what that says. Here's another thing. I don't know what it says. Yeah, so there's a duck. And here's a piece of, I think that wood is maple. And here's another piece of spalted maple. Yep. Maple spalts. Has to be spalted maple. Doesn't it, Larry? Anyways, thanks, Larry. I love the treasures. And keep carving. You guys, Larry's doing Dremel carving and he's doing chainsaw carving too. He signed up for that Ryan Cook carving course, chainsaw carving course. And wow, what a big difference after taking that course. He did some bears, an owl. I did a bear, an owl, and a bunch of other stuff. So good job, Larry, and thanks again. And once again, we will meet maybe this summer. I probably won't be coming out that way, as I know you're having that biker fundraiser thing, and I know some friends are going out there, but you'll probably come out here. This is your hometown, so this is your home city, so I think it is, so we'll meet soon enough, and we'll do some freaking carving. So thanks again, bud. I might carve that, this piece of, I'm sure this is juniper. I might carve this piece of wood for the next video right now, so you can see how this stuff's really nice stuff. How you can use it 2 different colors. I might carve a little wood spirit on this one. Okay, thanks.